So today we're going to set up BoringBot for Teams. So to start, log into Boring for your browser, click on Bots, and then select the Teams icon. Then, if you haven't already added BoringBot to your Teams tenant, you'll have to do that here, and this will pull you through that process. I've already installed the BoringBot application to our Teams tenant, so I'm just going to skip that step for the time being. So I'm going to click I've already installed the bot. At this point, we're going to generate a connection token. So let's click that button and copy the connection token. Verify this note, type in BoringBot before pasting the connection string. So I'll jump over to Teams, open up a new conversation and say @BoringBot, and then paste the connection token. And there you are. Server TBL HS test 1 has been added to the team. Now, if we did want to check the status of that system, we can go ahead and type in VMS status. And there you go. We do have one camera offline. We can see the details of that camera. So that's it. That's how easy it is to connect BoringBot for Teams.